Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Deleting an old user from your Nintendo Switch is a simple process that helps keep your console running smoothly. Perhaps you have an old family member's account, or you simply want to free up some space on your system. This guide will walk you through each step, making it super easy to manage your profiles. Let's get your Switch organized and personalized just the way you like it. To begin, simply navigate to the home screen of your Nintendo Switch. Look for the distinctive gear icon, which represents system settings. It's usually located on the bottom row of icons. Select this option to open up a new menu. This is the central hub for all your console's configurations and user management tools. Once you are inside the System Settings menu, look for the list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see Users listed. This specific section is dedicated to managing all the individual profiles on your Switch. Go ahead and select Users to proceed to the next stage of our guide. Now, within the Users menu, you will see a list of all the accounts on your Switch. Carefully select the specific user profile that you want to delete. On that user's page, scroll all the way down until you find the Delete User option. Remember, deleting a user will permanently remove their game save data from your console, so choose wisely. After selecting Delete User, the Nintendo Switch will prompt you with a final confirmation message. This is your last chance to review your decision before proceeding. Once you are sure, select Delete User one more time to complete the process. The user profile and its associated data will then be permanently removed from your console. Congratulations! Your Switch is now organized just as you intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.